Assalamu alaikum. Guys, I came across something weird and interesting the other day. Let me show you guys. So, I was on my regular walk when I noticed these graves. Let me show you guys. It's kind of hidden from that angle. Let me try and get a closer look. So, at first, I thought it was a kid and an adult. So, this person, Cornelius, was about 2 years old. And then I noticed that this person lived from 1917 to 1930, which also makes them pretty young. What do you think happened to them, guys? Because these were two kids. I'm gonna give you a little closer view. I think the Spanish flu happened around then. What do you think happened, guys? This person was around 13 years old and two. Out here in the middle of a hiking trail. Like, what do you think happened? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.